Degrees in Galax right now. Wind chill temperatures in the teens, and we want to watch out for slippery spots. Those light icing on decks and steps and driveways in the mountains is very likely. We've had that snow, that moisture. We also had some periods where we had a little bit of rain trying to scoot through the foothills too. So you want to watch for slippery bridges, exit and on ramps, also especially slippery tonight in spots. Now we've had a lot of traffic downtown Boone. You might not have to worry right away, but as we get things going overnight and temperatures continue to drop, that's when we're really concerned. Even for folks in areas of Lexington, we've had that freeze warning in place. Mocksville is included in this, and also Salisbury. So we're looking at temperatures down below 32 degrees there. Around the Triad, patchy frost is much more likely. Even though we may not see 32 everywhere, there's a better chance that you're going to get down into those low 30s in those zones in the southwestern Piedmont. You've got 29 degrees in the foothills, patchy frost there possible too, and 26 in the mountains. Once we see those growing seasons start, we will be talking about those advisories and warnings too. So the Triad, this is usually when we see our last frost or freeze, and let's hope this is the last one for the season. You've got 35 degrees in Reidsville, 33 in Greensboro, 42 Winston-Salem for wind chill values. That's what we feel like right now. So we're a few degrees cooler in some spots like Greensboro, where we feel about 6 degrees cooler right now. The winds have dropped off from earlier, but not entirely. And by early tomorrow morning, we're clear. We do have some lighter winds, so those frosty conditions could impact your plants. Anything that has just been planted, you want to cover outdoors if you can, and certainly any blooms you might lose if they're on the trees, or if you've been able to cover your plants or bring them in the garage. That would be very helpful. Don't forget about your pets tonight too. We've got temperatures at 41 degrees in Reidsville, 42 Winston-Salem, 39 in Greensboro as we mentioned, and you can see satellite imagery showing us those snow showers that still continue to total up to about 3 inches, if not a little bit more, in Beech Mountain earlier, in Boone, Sparta area. We had anywhere from a quarter to about a half an inch of snow at times. And winds out of the west and northwest right now, that'll help to warm us up. About an inch reported just north of there in White Top area, and 3 inches as mentioned in Boone for those snowfall totals. Tomorrow's going to be a different story though. We cool down in the morning, then we warm up, and we're working this upper low out so we don't have to worry about the moisture. You've got 52 degrees in Greensboro for those highs today, 55 in Burlington, and we're typically in the upper 60s. We get you a lot closer to that near average high by tomorrow afternoon. 46 for morning lows, so we're going to try and warm you up as we head into Monday and Tuesday. We should be getting there for those morning lows too. 32 tomorrow morning in the Triad. By brunch time, you're at 60. We have 67 for an afternoon high. A nice westerly wind should warm you nicely quite a bit from early morning to the afternoon, about a 30-degree temperature rise. And we've got 29 degrees in the foothills tomorrow morning, warming to 56 at lunchtime, also in the 60s by later in the day. So it's that west-northwesterly wind combined with dry air and that downsloping of the wind where we have more sunshine. Tomorrow we're going to feel better, and also in the mountains from 26 we go up to about 55, and those winds, well, they'll still be with us, gusting at times, especially for the mountains and the Triad tomorrow. For the mountains though, look at that, you're back into the 70s by Tuesday. Foothills, you're back into the 80s by Tuesday as well. Similar conditions to the Triad. We've got 67 for you tomorrow by late afternoon, so we'll enjoy that, and storms hold off until next Thursday.